Hello, Thomas here, and I'm on my way to the gun range to shoot the Mossberg night train in the 300 Win Mag. And all I'm going to do today is see if I can get it sighted in with this Leapers UTG scope, and if not, I'm going to have to switch out the scope. So it's going to be fun. See how this is going to go. And also to see how the Mossberg groups. Alright. See you guys at the gun range. Alright. We're on paper. Finally. Now let's see what kind of group she does. Alright, so that time she shot 1 inch to the right and 1 inch low. So let's send another one and see. Alright, so that one was 1.5 inch low and 1/2 inch right. So I'm going to send one more. After all, it's a Mossberg. All right, I'm real happy with this rifle, how it actually turning out. The first 1, 2, and 3 was just this was getting onto paper, and then we adjusted it 4 clicks to the left and shot that, and I let the barrel cool a little bit and I shot this group, and you can see just over 1 inch. With this Mossberg, I can probably tighten it up. I'm going to see how tight I can get it, but if it stays like that, I'm well happy. Thin barrel and a Magnum cartridge. I have nothing to complain about that. All right, we'll see. All right, let's do one more group. I'm a high. That could have been me. So we'll see. That probably was me. So. Yeah, that was me. Trigger control, trigger control. Oh, dude. All right. First shot was definitely me and my trigger control. The rest of it, yeah. All right. I think I'm gonna be done for today. This is my the third group. The first shot, that was me, not the right trigger pull. But then these two, perfect, perfect, perfect. There, I had some good trigger control. So, what I'm gonna say is that if you want a good rifle that doesn't break the bank, that's accurate, and with the right trigger control, you can get half-inch MOA with a Mossberg. So the next thing I'm probably going to do is upgrade the trigger, and that's about it. And then I'm going to leave it as it is for a while. The Leaper scope is great. All right, just wanted to sum it up a little bit after shooting with a Mossberg. And I do believe had I had better trigger control, my last group there would easily have gotten it within half-inch MOA. So I do believe the Mossberg can easily do it, not a doubt in my mind. And also, this is what I shot with today. Remington Core-Lokt 180 grain. And I got lucky this time that I found ammunition that worked out the first time. All right, if you like this video, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and let's see what the haters are gonna say.